Let me welcome all of you in this online course, NPTEL course of Drilling and Blasting Technology. Myself Dr. Kaushik De, I am assistant professor in this institute, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. He is my research scholar, Mr. Satyabrata Behera, who is doing his PhD in blasting technology. So, as you understand that mining is basically the backbone of every country, because the development of the country largely depends on the growth of the country in its mineral sector, how much mineral is being generated by the country and how they are developing. The requirement of mineral per capita is very important. That is why there should be sufficient source of mineral, and those minerals must be identified and must be exploited, excavated judicially. So, this is essential requirement for the growth of every country, and that is why mining is very important. It may be the mining of energy minerals like coal, like petroleum. It may be the mining of metallic minerals like iron ore, aluminum ore, etc. It may be the mining of economic minerals like limestone, etc. Limestone, granite, then building materials. So, these are the different requirements for depending on the country's growth. Infrastructure has to be developed. For that, mining is essentially required, which basically generates the building stones, aggregates, etc., sand. So, those are coming out from that. So, basically mining is very important, and mining can be carried out economically if its excavation technique is very suitable. So, excavation of mineral is basically the requirement in the mining apart from other environmental safety requirements. So, excavation of mineral, excavation of material is the prime objective of mining, and drilling and blasting technology basically the backbone of that. If you look into the different excavation methods used in the mining industry, then you will find out mostly around 70 to 80% minerals are coming out or being excavated by drilling and blasting technology. Why it is used? The main reason is that drilling and blasting technology first is very cheaper as compared to the other excavation technology like mechanized excavation technology, solution excavation technology, hydraulic excavation technology. But drilling and blasting technology is very cheaper with respect to the other techniques, and it can be utilized in any type of the deposit. That means, the applicability of this drilling and blasting technology is widely applicable. So, that is why these two main reasons makes the drilling and blasting technology very popular for mining excavation technique. So, it is essentially required that every mining engineer or anyone who is associated with the mining industry should have sufficient knowledge about the drilling and blasting technology, so that that person can use this drilling and blasting technology suitably for its own application requirement. So, basically it is the mining is the rock excavation, and the major rock excavation technique is the drilling and blasting technology. So, that is why everyone related to mining should know what is drilling and blasting technology, and in this course we are trying to give the details about this drilling and blasting technology. Basically, drilling is the requirement where we provide the explosive which is used in the blasting, we provide a space for the explosive inside the rock mass. So, drilling is very important for the spatial distribution of explosive inside the rock mass. So, drilling technology basically gives you the idea about how to carry out the drilling, so that economically and based on the desired design the explosive can be placed. So, that is the requirement of the drilling, and drilling technology basically gives the idea about that. which type of drilling can be used in which sector, which types of drilling can be used for which mining condition. So, those are basically given in details for the drilling technology part. And blasting technology basically has two parts. One is the explosive part, another is the application of the explosive, means explosive rock interaction part. In explosive part, those who are appearing in this course, they should know about that, how different explosives are there, they are different in the characteristics, how those can be utilized in their favorable manner while they are being utilized in the mining application. And if some explosive is given, some mining condition is given, how that explosive can be utilized in that mining condition, and for that what design consideration has to be carried out. So, basically these two part is incorporated in the blasting technology. So, in a holistic manner, drilling and blasting technology, this course basically gives the idea for those who are appearing in this course about a complete package where the appearing candidate may use this drilling and technology knowledge, drilling and blasting technology knowledge for its own use with respect to its personal application or the application with respect to that particular mining. So, drilling and blasting technology course basically gives the idea about how the drilling and blasting will be carried out in a particular mining situation, what types of explosive will be used, how that will be designed, and how the economic parameters will be considered to arrive at the drilling and blasting cost. So, this is a complete package which gives the idea about the drilling and blasting with reference to particularly for mining sector. I hope this course will be very interesting, those who will appear for this course.